Hello everyone, we are Group 7.
抢救蔡英文
And these are our group members. We are all from Business Administration and Yushan. I will talk to you our outline at the first part. In the start of this semester, we acquired a mission to save a person through English. And at first, we think we have planned a perfect plan to save her, such as discuss a movie in 2 or 3 weeks. But in our real adventure, we found this was mission impossible. So we changed our plan, and we will talk to you later. And in our adventure, we faced many challenges, but we depended on our good teamwork. We gradually overcame. Finally, we think we saved her. And I think many people will confuse that why we want to save poor English. I will talk to you our motives and goals. First, we want to improve our communication skills and have courage to talk in English. We think many NCU students are afraid of speaking English have good English skills, but they are afraid of speaking English to other people. So we can make good use of our weekly meeting to give us a chance to speak English. Second, we want to learn vocabulary from the conversations. We usually learn English in reading or writing, but we don't know very much about the words in daily chatting. So we can use this chance to learn more words in our conversations. Next, Tingshen will tell you what happened in our adventure.
Thanks for Yushan's introduction. I'm Tingshen. Now, let me talk about our adventures, the detail of our adventures. At the beginning of our adventures, we got on a gorgeous ship, and that's Titanic. When we were on Titanic, we discussed many interesting issues. Our speaking ability grew up when we discussed these issues. When we have some opinions, we share our opinion. When we have some opinions, we need to try our best to express it clearly. After 2 or 3 weeks, we discovered that had some difficulty about using movie to save poor English. First, we spend too much time to discuss movies issues so that we have not enough time to learn some chunks of movies. Second, that's difficult to express our thoughts deeply. Luckily, we met our boss Grace in first check. Our boss Grace gave us 3 weapons after first check. That's BBC Learning English and Roman English Dictionary Online String Navigate. With these 3 weapons, we learn many types of issues and some interesting knowledge of 6 mini English programs. 6 mini English program has a special way to discuss one topic. It uses conversations, and that's exactly what we want to learn. We can learn more conversation skills from it, and we also can learn some useful chunks by checking Roman English Dictionary and String Navigate. Through using these 3 weapons, our ability of saving poor English is upgraded. Next, Wei-Jun will talk about what we learn from each other.
Thanks for these 2 ladies' presentation. They are really good teammates. I'm so lucky to be the team leader of this group. Hello, I'm Wang Wei-Jun. I'll talk about our group cooperation. At first, we set a goal for ourselves and our group. For example, Yushan and Tingshen want to improve their speaking, and I want to pass the TOEIC test, so we help each other like sharing vocabulary or create a chance to talk in English. In our conversation, we learn so many vocabulary others usually use, and the most interesting is we 3 have different interests about the article. For example, Yushan likes some article about environment, and Tingshen likes some innovation and invention, and I like some global issues. So we can learn so many different kinds of knowledge from the article. At the end of the adventure, We found out that learning English can be so much fun. There are many different ways to learn English. When we prepare for the movie or an article, we learn so many knowledge like history about Titanic, some latest technology, and some global environment issues. So we want to thank the Language Center for giving us the chance to form an English study group. And we also want to thank Teacher Grace for helping us during these weeks. Although it seems that our first adventure has come to an end, but we think the mission saving poor English has never ended. Anyway, Group 7 complete. Thanks for your listening.